Hello, we are here with Petya Andreeva, the director of Bright City, and we're going to watch the trailer of the movie first, and we can talk about it then. Okay.
Здравейте! Вие сте с кулинарното предаване Да ви е сладко. Днес за вас ще приготвя торта с йогурт и горски плодове. Да започваме!
Изглежда страхотно. Много добре се е получило. Да ви е сладко.
I think one of the most noticeable effects of the movie is that it makes us have more empathy for the main character, who is an invalid, and for all people like her. And I wondered what pushed you to make a movie that explored such problems.
Once I met an old man, okay, it's a young, let's say, woman, but the story came from, I met the old man on the metro station. He wanted to go out and go to the bus stop, but it was, let's say, about 10 in the evening. He was struggling to get to the bus stop and to get to his home. I waited with him for half an hour, the bus, and he told me his story. Like, he was going out for an event, for some book event or something, and that's why he was out so late. And even in the bus, people were telling him, why you are going out with your wheelchair at that time? You know, so like people, if they are sitting in a wheelchair, they don't have the right to go to any events. So it really, like, I felt like very bad about him. And at the same time, he was, let's say, in the age of 74, but with so good spirit, and he was just wanted to live his life. And on another hand, let's say when I started developing the script, it was a lady. It changed, you know. I didn't want to tell the same story. I just wanted to tell something simple, that a person in a wheelchair, for example, she wants to get a cake and wants to go out. Two very simple things.
Yeah.
But it's like a challenge for her. And at the same time, you know, people who survive something, let's say they're happy that they're alive. So that's the reason. And the main character, she's like seeing like the good things. So there are like birds, there are kids playing or something. She's not looking at the cars who are like stopping on both sides of the street, and she's not able to move. So it's like, I can say that it's a movie about the spirit of a person.
Oh, yeah, for her, like, just the simple thing, going out for a cake, was a clash with the city. Mm-hmm. And she had so many obstacles that she had to go through, but she still stopped to appreciate the beauty around her. Mm-hmm. And I think that's really powerful, this appreciation for life.
Thanks. Yeah, and another thing is that the funny story that even in Bulgaria, when you have all those, you know, you can just get in a, I don't know, in a hole and get stuck or something. This is something really stupid, but this can bring you to something good. You know, like she met a guy who just shared with her a lovely afternoon or something. So sometimes the bad things that happen in life, let's say, even can bring you something good. So let's enjoy the life.
Yeah, like how in the movie it was both good and bad, and you didn't just try to make it all gruesome or bad. It was, there is still happiness in.
Yes, I don't want to like make it like a dark. Yeah, we know, okay, the situation is this, the situation is bad or something, but let's see what is good in this. What bright can we find? So
Bright
the
City.
bright city.
Yeah.
So I would love to see the good things in life, even if the situation is like really bad. So I just wanted to put it in the movie, and I think somehow I managed.
Yeah, you did. Thank you so much. Do we have any questions from the audience? No, okay. Is there something else you want to share?
No, I just want to say sorry for missing the subtitles of the trailer. I just didn't.
Oh no, it's probably our fault.
It's okay. No. So I just wanted to stay. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.